everybody, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. My name's Kanella Ciraco and this is my YouTube channel. All right, so for you guys, if you have watched my last video, that was 3 days ago, but for me, this is painting number 2 after 20 minutes ago after finishing the greenish yellow piece. So on to the next video for me. Getting right into it with the All About That Base series. I'm doing, this is an 11 by 14 inch canvas. And this time my base is turquoise. So I am using turquoise green by Amsterdam. Okay, there's a turquoise blue and a turquoise green. This is turquoise green. That is what I'm using for the base. Already mixed it up here in a cup. And my colors, again, Pinterest ideas. So this should be interesting, but they look really pretty. We've got Venetian Rose by Amsterdam. And then I have Iridescent Silver by Pebeo. Now this color is actually my base color, which is turquoise green, but I had lightened it up with some white, titanium white by Amsterdam, and I made like a Tiffany bluish color. So I just call this Tiffany. I didn't even put a tag on it because it's literally this with some white in it. And then topping it off again with the Pearl Pink by Arteza. So those are my colors. Let's see. Those are my colors. Here's my base. And of course, the flower hair dryer. So yeah, that is what I'm using. Let's put that there. And then I think this is the, nope, I did it wrong. This way, this way, this way, and this way. Yeah, that's my order. That's what I want to do. That's what I'm going to do. All right. So, all right. So I am going to flood my canvas and I will be right back. All right, the base is on, the bubbles have been popped, and once again, I never think about the composition. Like I always say, okay, think about the composition before you do the next video, and then I forget. And now I'm ready to do the painting, and I can't think of a composition. I think I'm just gonna do a diagonal. Let's just do a diagonal. How about like a, yeah, how about, yeah. How about, just do one, Kanella, and see what happens. I'm not going to do a wispy on this one. So I think I'm just going to do like a half squiggle or something. Just start pouring, Kanella, my goodness. If the paint comes out. Oh, there we go. There's a little clog on the tip. All right. Right? I did. I think a goober. Yeah, a goober came out on that. But that's okay, because I'm going to end up blowing down anyway. All right, silver. Look how close I went to the edge. That was pretty... I need to go to bed. Seriously, I do. I went really close here to here. So... we'll see how that pans out for me. I'm really liking this Venetian Rose though. That's really pretty. All right, Tiffany, which is a lighter version of my base, which looks gorgeous. And then topping it off, Pearl Pink by Arteza. There we go. Pretty colors. Let's see, is Pinterest gonna be another winner on this? The question now is how I'm gonna blow this out. That is my question, because that was pretty silly the way I did that. I know over here I'm gonna go this way, and then I'll just, I don't even know. I'll go this way. Let's start with this way and see what happens. See that? Okay, let me start by saying A, I love the colors. B, I really screwed that blowout pretty bad. This is what happens with the flower hair dryer. I'm gonna go with my other hair dryer in the next one because I am doing a 12 by 16 inch in the next video. But yeah, this is the problem here, right? With this hair dryer, it seems to always bring up the base color into it, into my petals, and sometimes it's good, but sometimes it's not. And then over here, this is the problem with how you lay down the lines, right? This is why the way you lay down the lines is also very important, because you got to figure out how you're going to blow this stuff out. And I just, you know, went ahead with it and didn't even think twice. I do love the colors though. It's so girly, like baby girl, you know, this would be so cute for a little girl's room. Super cute. But I am going to have to fidget with it though, like for sure, especially over here. So don't mind my big head in the camera. Let's see. I wonder if I should blow that over the edge or not. I don't know. I really like this a lot. I love this hard line of the Venetian rose here. I don't think there's much more to do. Maybe over here a little bit. Oh, that's better. You notice how I blow super, super gently, super lightly, like just really lightly. I don't, you know, don't do that, because then you end up with a, you know, it just doesn't look natural, I think. I think I'm going to tweak this a bit. You know, I keep saying it in every video, but I mean it. When this dries, this pearl pink by Arteza is going to have a really pretty shimmer effect to it when you know, tilt it in the light. Okay, so I'm actually not going to touch anything else. I'm like, this is over the edge, that's over the edge, that's over the edge. I'm debating whether I should put this one over the edge, but I think I'm going to leave it. So I'm going to leave it. I'm going to touch up my sides with my squeeze bottle, and I'll be right back. All right, everybody. So here is the final results. Now, from my phone, it looks more of a bluish color, but it's really turquoise. I'm not really sure what color you're getting on your end, and I apologize for that light reflection. I really, really like this. It's so soft. It's definitely girly, for sure. But I'm really loving that hard edge Venetian rose. Really, really liking that. And this reflection really sucks. That's even worse. Let's go this way. But I'm going to have to really think hard about my next composition, because that was a ridiculous blowout. Ridiculous. But it still looks pretty. Let's check out the shimmer. All right, so there's gonna be shimmer because of the silver by Pebeo and the pearl pink by Arteza. Look at that. I love these. I absolutely love these paints. I'm telling you, if you don't have these Pearl Arteza paints, go and buy them. If you are in the US or in the UK, I have links to their websites. You can get a 10% discount. Unfortunately, if you're in Canada, you cannot get them on the website and you cannot get a discount. I apologize, but you can buy them on Amazon, which is where I got mine from. So you can get these pearl paints from Amazon if you are in Canada. Look. Isn't that great? All right, let's turn the lights back on. There you have it, everybody. I'd love to know what you guys think about this in the comments below. Do you like it? Do you really like the girly soft pink colors? Don't forget, this will dry darker, so keep that in mind. It is available for purchase for anyone who is interested. You can email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com and you can claim it. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.